In this video, we are going to talk about the different safety devices for automatic gate opener systems, what they do, and why they are important. Automatic gate openers are a convenient and effective access control solution for commercial properties, industrial complexes, gated communities, and even for residential properties. But before we get into the different protection devices, we need to talk about gate opener safety. Following proper safety practice is incredibly important. A gate opener is a powerful piece of machinery that involves moving parts that exert significant force, enough that can cause serious harm or damage if entrapment were to occur. Because of this, safety compliance codes such as UL325 and ASTM F2200 have been set to reduce these risks. The UL325 and the ASTM F2200 are the critical gate opener manufacturing and installation baselines. These two compliance codes complement each other, going hand in hand, but they still serve different purposes. UL325 focuses on protecting people from hazards related to the operator, while the ASTM F2200 focuses on safety related to the gate's physical structure and design. UL325 requires two independent protection devices for each entrapment zone around a gate opener. An entrapment zone is any area near a moving gate where a person can be caught or trapped if they come in contact with the gate while it is in motion. UL325 categorizes these entrapment protection devices into different types. And keep in mind that for each entrapment zone, two different types of entrapment protection devices must be used. Type A is any inherent entrapment protection system. These are sensors that are built directly into the gate operator system that will automatically detect obstructions and reverse to stop movement. Type B is any external sensor that will detect obstructions in the path of a gate opener. Type B1 specifically refers to a non-contact sensor, like a photo eye. A photo eye is a device that can detect the presence of an obstruction using beams of light. This battery-powered photo eye is a through-beam photo eye, which means it utilizes two units, a transmitter and a receiver, that sit across from one another, connecting the infrared light beam from one device to another. Another type of photo eye is a reflective photo eye, which instead has the transmitter and the receiver in the same unit. The light beam is then reflected to the receiver by a reflector. Type B2 is any sensor that requires contact. This typically refers to what is called a safety edge. Installed on the edge of the gate, this protection device triggers a stop or reversal when it detects contact or pressure. Type C is similar to Type A as it is built directly into the gate operator system. It involves inherent force limiting, adjustable clutches, or pressure relief devices. Type D is any actuating device that requires continuous pressure to maintain the opening or closing motion of the gate, such as a button or a switch. For example, this 3-button control station allows you to manually open or close the gate, and it is UL listed. For horizontal slide gates, vertical lift gates, and vertical pivot gates, the entrapment protection devices can be Type A, B1, B2, or D. For swing and barrier gates, Type A, B1, B2, C, or D can be used. Now that we've gone over UL325 compliant safety devices, let's take a look at other fundamental gate opener accessories, starting with vehicle detection. A safety loop is used to detect the presence of a vehicle. It is typically used to allow the gate to open when a vehicle approaches it, but also doubles as a safety device that can prevent the gate from closing on a vehicle in its path. It is installed into the ground in a loop formation that leads back to a loop detector. Specifically, the safety loop detects the presence of metal, which the loop detector then tells the gate opener system that a vehicle is present. An exit wand or exit probe is similar, but instead relies on detecting movements in the magnetic field of the Earth. This differs from safety loops because it loses sight of the vehicle when it stops moving, but it still works great as a way to allow automatic entry and exit. In the event of an emergency, a secure gate opener might slow down first responders from arriving on the scene. Gate emergency equipment offers a solution. These siren-operated sensors are used to allow a gate to open automatically when it senses the sound of a siren from an emergency vehicle. This way, first responders can easily pass through without a delay. Similarly, fire lock boxes or Knox boxes are a non-destructive way to allow emergency services to access the property. This provides a way for the first responders to access through the automatic gate once unlocked and opened. Last but certainly not least, we have warning signs. The safety compliance codes we talked about earlier also require for safety signage to be posted to detour pedestrians from entering entrapment zones around the gate. These are necessary components to amplify safety around the gate operating systems. Thank you for watching our gate opener safety video. The description of this video will feature links to all of the products that were shown, along with additional information about gate opener safety. If you'd like to learn more and to browse different safety device options, visit gateopenersafety.com, or you can give us a call at 1-800-878-7829. Don't forget to like and subscribe.